get removed. So God is about delivery. So we are going to elections with that mandate in mind. Which if we leadership, we must make sure that we take position for one thing, to deliver, not to self-enrich, not to self-populate, but make sure that we deliver. So that's where I'm excited to see and that way we will demonstrate the need of our leaders. Remember, even the our ANC already indicated to corruption. The mayor will actually say, I'm so. Now, don't call them a season. I don't like to leave the source of mayor. They want it now. I never open a party and after that, because the core of this thing is bad. It's the core of this business is believe so, yeah, exactly. So we have that privilege.
It's a morning.
I'm sorry about that. Not in a way. I'm trying to say. We're not trying to develop a pocket matter. We are now delivering a true politicians. Remember, when we say here comes a politician, people think here comes a liar. Okay. So it is our duty now to change that narrative. What is a politician? You understand? A person who delivers to abantu ngesikhathi esifanele. Rather deliver than deliver. But so we are coming to a space of elections where abantu have an opportunity. Yokuthi bashintshe impilo zabo bonke. I was telling them in my community, which is a mistake corner. People, what's the grand? What's the grand for a pool? Who's a lucky cancer and a grand? So this thing so far, my community, my food parcel, my jam one loaf, my jam one insist Nagida is a sheet. Yes, I sheet. If I don't know the Shire Umfa's wife, I'm tired and so both young who's up was up good at that's the thing and now it's time when people believe with it. That's it. If you machine people have done West. Because if you were saying Indian, you understand? So I'm always telling people with it. That is a map parcel, my foot parcel.